Today was another meaningful day in my journey as a veterinarian. I was called out to a local farm to help a cow who could no longer walk properly. Her hoof was severely infected. As I got closer, I realized the cause. A sharp object had pierced deep into her foot days ago, and the wound had turned necrotic. The smell was strong, and I could see maggots and harmful parasites living inside the rotting flesh. It was painful just to look at, but even more painful for her to endure. I began by gently examining the hoof, then carefully removed the sharp object still lodged inside. After that, I cleaned out all the necrotic tissue and removed every parasite and maggot I could find. This is a crucial step to stop the spread of infection and give her a real chance to heal. Once everything was cleared, I thoroughly washed the wound with antiseptic solutions, applied antibiotic medicine to fight infection, and finally bandaged the hoof to protect it while it heals. The whole process took time and patience, but the cow remained calm, as if she knew we were there to help. Before I left, I gently patted her and wished her a speedy recovery. With proper care, I believe she'll be walking and even running again very soon. Every animal deserves love and care, especially cows who have worked beside humans for generations. Let's treat them with the kindness and respect they deserve.